Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer because this is the place where we'll enter all of those codes, and let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we can open the device information, in which we've got both IMEI numbers of this device and also a serial number attached to it. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the information about this device. So it is *##, 4 zeros, ###. And as I said, we've got the device information, so here we can check, for example, the hardware version, the baseband version, software, and so on and so on. Here we've got also both IMEI numbers again. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the information about the battery in this device. So it is *##, 6485, #*#. And as I said, here we've got the charging and battery info. So for example, we can check the level of it, the state of it. So as you can see, we've got it in a good state, that it is also not charging right now, and so on and so on. Quite a lot of technical info. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##, 225, *##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option, the best code to use, because here you've got all events grouped into particular sections. So let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics which are provided by Google. It is *##, 426, #*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, or sign-in level. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on the status again, and as you can see, we've got much more info. For example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. So let me get back and let me show you the last code, which will open, let's say, also a testing menu. It is *##, 4636, #*#. And as I said, we are in the testing mode. We've got two different phone info and Wi-Fi info. Here we've got two different phone information because we've got two different SIM slots. So the information is divided between them. So let me show you the first one, for example. And obviously, I do not have any information here because I do not have my SIM card inserted. But no worries, of course, if you will have yours, then you will be able to check the info just like the phone number, car network, data service, or voice service. What's more, you can scroll down and run ping test here, and here you've got the results. After tapping on more, you can also enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's get back and let's check Wi-Fi info. Here we can check the API configuration or the status. So let me pick, for example, the status. We can refresh the stats, and as you can see, we can check the information just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.